Hi everyone, I'm with Bindu. She has completed a 1 into 2 in central London. So I just wanted to ask Bindu some questions about her experience. So let's get into it. So why did you decide to invest in London?
London. Basically London, I love London. I used to work in Canary Wharf before, and then I stopped working after that because I had my daughter. But then I had a passion towards the property since then. Waited till my daughter to grow up a bit so I can put myself back in the business.
Sure.
So last year, when I thought it's the right time, I started my get back to my business and did 2 projects, and this is my second project which you're looking at.
And why flats in particular? Why not say a house in London?
Flats because of the time. Coming to the houses, taking planning permissions, and getting approval is time taking and very expensive compared to the flats.
Yeah.
With the flats, converting a single bed to double bed or double bed to triple bed is very straightforward and easier compared to taking the proper planning permission from the councils.
Yeah. How did you find this particular flat that we're sat in today?
Right, I got through this flat through the right move. Basically, I just saw this property a day before. I just called up the agent, and the agent told we're gonna just view the property next day evening, 6 o'clock. I saw the property, spoke to the guy outside 6:10, and liked the property. I called him on the way home 6:40, gave him an offer. 7 o'clock they got approved, and this was it.
Yeah. That was fast.
This was fast.
So in terms of the floor plan, in terms of this particular property, so can you talk me through that? So as you come in?
Yes, when we came in, it was like a really rundown flat. 1 living room, 1 bedroom and 1 kitchen. So it's a single bedroom flat.
So in terms of the works that you did to it, was it difficult obtaining consent for the works that you were proposing to do?
Not at all, very straightforward. Actually, it's other council, deal with these flats here.
Yeah.
And then we just, emailed them, and we got the reply back straight away. They asked for the, the floor plans, and we just sent them. And I think within about a few weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, we got the consent. Yeah.
In terms of the design of the apartment, was that you as well?
Yes, actually, I love interior designing, and I have really passion towards it. I put myself to just pick and choose everything from the market, of course online.
Sure.
And one of my friend who is an interior designer will help me out to just set the flat the way it looks with the wall arts and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. So if anyone's looking for an interior designer, here you are.
No, I'm a property investor. Come interior designer.
Okay. So in terms of the purchase price, so I think you were saying before that you purchased this apartment for $315.
So yeah, basically it was on 350, and then we came and we just offered for 325.
What do you think it's worth now that all the works are completed?
We're looking at 425.
All right, so that's a really good uplift just by adding a bedroom. Actually, one of the things that people are really interested in is when you saw the kitchen, did you feel that actually this is going to be big enough for a bedroom, or did you measure the floor space, or did you just feel you had the feeling that actually I think it's big enough for a bedroom?
Right, actually no, because as you guys mentored me, and always the step went to just go with the measurements, and if at all to see if this apartment which you are looking at in the right move fits, matches the requirement, is just to check the measurements.
Sure.
With the window and the 7 square meters at least.
Yeah.
So to make it as a double bed.
Sure.
So if it passed that checklist, then we can just check the size of the room and also the space to at least to make the kitchen in the living, and at least to be a minimum of whatever for the living room. So just when all the boxes get ticked, then only just take an appointment to view, because it can happen, right?
Any challenges? Did you have any challenges on this particular project?
Challenges are always there with when you're mainly challenge happens when you're more passionate about the way it has to come with the look and feel, and how it has to be, what has to go with it, and improvements from your previous project to this project. The challenges will be there. But then it wasn't so hard that I can't manage it. I got through it all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.